Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Scorpios. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for our daily energy, for our career situation and love energy, Scorpios. So these are for our daily reading, guys. For our career situation and love energy, I'll be picking two cards from this deck. So for our career situation, the first card, guys. So this is the card for our career situation, and one more card for our relationship. This is the card, and one card from the Oracle Guidance deck. So I'll be picking one from this deck. That is a general guidance, what we can follow every day, guys. So this is the card here, guys. We will open these cards as we proceed into the reading. Scorpios. So for your daily reading first, it's Six of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, and the Fool. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, you are a person of action. You know what you need to do today in your situation to make things go towards your goals, progress towards your destination. And you are a person with great skill and ability, and you handle any situation with ease, and you know what you want in your heart of hearts. So you know your path, and you have clearly made your choice in your life today, guys. That is what I see with these cards. And you are having spending time with your friends or family. Maybe you are meeting your family after a long time, spending time with them, talking to them about your past, maybe success or whatever memories that you have, your childhood memories, something that gives you happiness and joy, and you are enjoying the simple pleasures today, maybe having dinner today, or going out for a snack, something of that sort, guys. Spending time with each other after a long time. Or this may be something you are doing with your person. You are spending time with them, or you want to spend time with them. So you are meeting them, going out maybe for dinner or coffee, something. So that is also what I see here. And maybe for some of you, you are seeing some new beginnings coming your way, something which you is for about which you are really passionate about. It may be something creative or some job about which you are really passionate, which may involve using lot of your skills and talents, guys, and it may be something adventurous. And maybe for some of you, you are just rushing forward in certain choices without clarity, maybe some immature decisions, some thoughtless rash decisions, maybe the reason for certain stress or certain mistakes that you are making today, guys, because you are taking up that choice or offers without deep knowledge about that situation and deep thinking. So that is what I see with these cards, Scorpios, for your daily reading. Let us see what is the card for your career situation, guys. So let us see. Six of Air. So with this card, guys, in your situation today, you are seeing your circumstance pushing you towards some changes. Maybe, guys, in your situation, maybe you are transforming, making some changes in the way you deal with your situation, and which is also helping you to get more learning and clarity in your position today. So maybe some troubles are there, some obstacles you are facing, and you are trying to do things in a different way to avoid these obstacles or some delays or suspensions in your situation today, guys. So things may not go well in your career situation, guys. So you do not know what is coming your way, but you are trying to adapt yourself, trying to change your ways of work, maybe change your old ways, or deal the situation differently, or deal with the situation differently to handle the situation effectively, guys. So that is what I see with this card here, guys. Maybe you may have troubles with the people who work for you or the people who work with you. Some of them may suddenly leave you or leave their job. So again, that may be a cause of worry for you because you may be burdened with too much work. So let us see what is the card for your relationship, Scorpios. 5 of Water. So with this card here, guys, in your relationship, maybe you are maybe tired of how this connection is going, and you are ready to forgive this person and move forward. You are understanding that sometimes things may go in a positive way and sometimes things may go in a negative way. You are clearly aware of your emotions, so you are willing to let go of that sadness or that sad emotional state, some resentments that you have in your relationship, and you want to move forward with life. So, and you want to release that grief you have, and that may be the reason that you are ready to forgive, make amends with that person and move forward in this connection in a positive way, guys. So that is what I see with this card here, guys. Such a beautiful card for your relationship, Scorpios. So let us see what is the guidance for you all, guys. We picked one card, Yang. So this card stands for action. So this is a time for action in your life, Scorpios. It may be something in your personal life or something in your career situation, and you have that power to make things go for your benefit. So circumstances are in such a way that you are the one who needs to take that first move. It may be something to do with your relationship. So when you do that, when you make that first step forward, you will see that things are aligning perfectly in your relationship. You can take that lead. Maybe if you are in a connection, we just saw that you are trying to make up. So instead of letting that other person come to you first to say sorry, you can go forward voluntarily. You can try to forgive them or say sorry if you are guilty of mistakes. You should not wait for that other person to make the move. Or if you are open, willing to see a new person, you can move forward to tell them your interest, guys. That is what this card is about. The same way in your career situation also, all that projects or partnerships, whatever that is coming towards you, you have to put in efforts to see it through, make it manifest, make it happen. So when you do that, when you take actions, when you make that efforts, you will see that prosperity and abundance and success in life is waiting for you, Scorpios. So that is what this card is about, guys, and that is the reading for you all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.